Okay, one of the aspects of the chemical kitchen that I think is very important and that which we thought a lot about in the design of this course was that of teaching students about aspects of safety. This is a feature which is very important, obviously in chemistry laboratories, but also in the kitchen.
Yes, that's right. And so in the kitchens, you can think about two types of safety. First of all, is like the safety in the environment, where you have to make sure that other people are aware where you are, that you're carrying heavy stuff, that you're carrying knives, but also the safety of food itself. So it's basically not harmful to people who don't eat it. So you need to work in a clean environment. You need to stay organized. You need to make sure that everything is properly labeled, stored properly, and yeah, just safe for consumption.
Yeah, and of course, in a chemistry lab, we are not encouraging our students to consume the products of their reactions, but other than that, I think there are parallels absolutely about being safe yourself and also thinking about the safety of the other fellow students in the laboratory.
Right. So the kind of organization and safety skills that you will acquire in the chemical kitchen will translate directly into the safety skills that you will need in your future in chemistry.
I think that's right, and I think it's something that we want to convey to students right at the very start of their careers at university. Because when you're working in a laboratory, there's, as you say, not only your own safety, but there's the safety of the other people around you. And if you don't keep your area in good order, then other people don't know what this, white powder that you have placed on a nice Petri dish in the corner, but it could be almost anything to someone else. And so this idea of looking after where things are, labeling things, keeping a track of them, understanding the needs of yourself and fellow students around.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And that's the same in the kitchen, where you have to label everything you make. All the foods you have to you have to label, you have to date them, just to make sure that there is no problem with different allergens, that there's no problem with things getting spoiled and you not noticing it. So this kind of organization is also very important in the kitchen.
And these things, of course, you learn these things over time, but if we can instill these early on, I think it's going to be beneficial for all subsequent labs and all kinds of activities that students do subsequently.
Yeah, I think so, because it's much easier to teach somebody a good habit rather than to unteach them a bad habit and then teach them a good habit again.
Absolutely.